Hi, hey, what do we see here? We have Lance at Guaranty RV. We've been one of their dealers for quite a while. So Lance is a tried and true name in the RV industry, very well respected, quality build, and there's just more than you could ever say it in just a few words. But let's take a quick peek at what they have going here. First of all, we have the fiberglass shell, all LED lighting. This is a place where you are the holding tank, the propane tanks are, which are covered and protected from a lot of things, from the weather, from theft, from many things. You have a smart jack here that remembers its height and the setting and the hitch, so it's easy to get on and get off. You can push a button and load it right back onto the ball of your truck or your vehicle that you're towing it with, just in a snap. We're going to do a quick outside walk around. As you come back here and take a look at this, you can see some very nice things. So there are only two companies that provide what we call a 4 seasons RV. So there are thermal packages, but a 4 season RV means the underbelly is completely sealed and the blade valves that release the fluids are also heated and sealed under the belly. So that makes it nice for you. You can take this baby up to Mount Hood, you can take it up to Willamette Pass, over to Bend, wherever you want to go. It's insulated, so it won't be really hot, and it certainly won't be very cold. As I put that up, you can notice that I didn't have to pull any latches. It's magnetic. You've got a battery disconnect here. Very easy, and they've done some smart stuff. This is what's called a smart tray. Oh, I've got to pull it out from the other side, I'm sorry. So this is lit all the way across, and that tray comes out from the other side. You also have storage underneath the bed in here. So you have this storage that's separate from the interior of the vehicle, and then you have also this storage. Notice for all the skylights, Lance provides you the snap-on cover, so you can protect the interior of your vehicle while you're storing it. They use all Lippert components. Lance, like I said, is a high quality unit. They use Lippert components. The best in the industry is what you're going to find on a Lance product. It's also going to be a product that will hold its value. So if for some reason you want to trade up or trade down or go into a different sphere of RVing, this is a good brand to buy because people are pursuing them. This is a 1685, so it's a 17-foot trailer, not counting the tongue, which brings it up to about 20 feet. An ultralight. Here's just a nice little ditty for a place for you to put away some of your gloves or a few things while you're handling this outside. We provided you, this is the slide out, and on the inside will be the dinette, but notice that we've got an awning that covers this slide to keep anything from getting in on top of it. You come around to the outside here, and again we're storage. And these are the magnetic hinges, so you never have to worry about the plastic breaking and it falling on your noggin. Frameless windows, so you don't have to take care of that. This is pretty standard. It's got a 30 amp service. This is your freshwater fill. This is your holding tank flushing system. This is your outside shower, hot and cold running water. And all the services that you need here for satellite and park TV and whatnot. Also a dual axle trailer, 16 feet, 2 axles. A double axle trailer tows better. It tracks better behind your vehicle. So if you're going to get a small trailer, try to get a small trailer that has 2 axles. You will thank yourself numerous times. Here, we'll show you the back of it. So remember, this is a 1685. Lance again has thought ahead. The roof of a travel trailer or any type of an recreational vehicle is importante. So you have the ability to crawl up on this ladder and take a look at what's going on, or maybe put a storage pod up there. This is the back of the hot water heater, so now you don't have that coming out where you're going to be sitting out and enjoying the outside of your coach. And we're going to hop in here. This is a keypad, so you can use this with the keyless entry. It isn't programmed right now because this is a brand new unit. This is actually a 219 1685 Lance. Again, I'm too close to this other RV to open it completely, but it opens up nicely. So remember when we were outside and I was showing you the compartment outdoors? That's underneath this seat. This table comes down. It fills in right here. So this could be a full double bed. And of course they've got storage underneath here. Great big drawers that are easy to get at. You've got the storage that's on this end. These blackout blinds. So these MCD shades are quality products. It's normally you only find that on a motorhome. You don't even find it in fifth wheels very often, just motorhomes. So again, Lance is a quality outfit and they put in quality components. You've got a nice Dometic refrigerator here. There we go. I almost did not find the handle, even though it was very close. Really nice refrigerator. I'm not very tall, so I can reach all the way back into this freezer. I can see what's in there. It's stainless steel faced. You have a 24-inch oven here, which is an oversized oven for RVs. Again, what I'm seeing in this trailer are components that I'm going to find in a Class A motorhome that's going to be running close to $100,000 or better. You got storage up here, all LED lighting. You know, you've got a removable shelf here that you can adjust. Just lots of really nice things. A little a spice rack. A nice deep sink, the radius. This is the bed, and one of the things that I like about this is that you can have that window open so you can see out, or you know, enjoy the morning sunshine, or you can have the window open with the screen so you've got lots of ventilation. And they've got these MCD blinds on each one of these right here, so we have a pull down screen. And we have a pull down shade as well. This unit has all of the USB ports that you need. It's got all LED lighting. It's the heating and air conditioning is controlled just by this thermostat right here on the wall. Just like at home. Little things like a magazine rack. Two companies that make a true Four Seasons coach. And that is Lance and Northwood. And we have been working with them for 50 years. Since we started selling motorhomes and travel trailers, we've been working with those companies. I really want to invite you to come out here, sit down like I am, walk through this vehicle yourself, and ask questions, and decide if it's something that you'd like to own. My name is Barbara.Balcom, and I'm out here at Guaranty. My cell phone is 541-521-4232, and I look forward to making your acquaintance and helping inform you so you can make a good decision. Thank you.